Have you ever wondered why the exchange of gifts or money, known as the bride price, holds such deep-rooted significance in the Igbo culture of Nigeria? This intriguing ritual, prevalent in many African societies, is not just about the transactional aspect. It weaves a rich tapestry of historical and cultural values that are integral to the Igbo people. Centuries ago, in the heart of Nigeria, the Igbo people established a unique system of marriage, one that involves the payment of a bride price. This was not merely a commercial transaction, but a symbolic gesture cementing social, economic, and familial ties. The bride price, or ime ego, as it is called in Igbo, is a testament to the value that the Igbo people place on marriage, viewing it as a union, not just between two individuals, but between two families, and by extension two communities. Historically, the bride price served as a form of insurance. In times of marital discord, the man's family could claim a refund of the bride price, providing a safety net for the woman. This was an ingenious way to ensure that the man treated his wife with respect, as any mistreatment could lead to a refund request, a situation viewed as a disgrace in Igbo society. The bride price also carries significant cultural symbolism. It represents the groom's commitment and readiness to shoulder the responsibilities of marriage. It's an affirmation of his intention to care for his wife, a promise made not just to her but to her family and the entire community. Moreover, the bride price ritual serves as a means of preserving the Igbo culture and heritage. The items included in the bride price, which often include yams, palm oil, and kola nuts, are not random. They hold deep cultural and spiritual significance, reminding the couple and their families of their roots and the traditions that bind them. So what can we glean from this exploration of the bride price in Igbo culture? Three key points stand out. Firstly, the bride price is much more than a monetary transaction. It's a symbolic act that cements social, economic, and familial ties. It's a testament to the Igbo people's reverence for marriage and community. Secondly, the bride price historically served as a form of insurance, ensuring the woman's respectful treatment in her marital home. It was a clever social mechanism to uphold the dignity of women and promote harmony in marriages. Finally, the bride price is a cultural treasure trove, encapsulating the rich heritage and traditions of the Igbo people. The items included in the bride price carry deep cultural and spiritual significance, serving as a reminder of the Igbo people's roots and the values that bind their society. In essence, the bride price in Igbo culture is a fascinating amalgamation of history, culture, and social dynamics. It's a tradition that continues to thrive, shaping the course of marriages and embodying the spirit of the Igbo people. It's a testament to their shared past, their vibrant present, and their hopes for the future.